Hello everyone, today we see the concept of ARP. So ARP means address resolution protocol. So basically this concept is a address mapping. So in ARP, mapping the logical address to the physical address. You can see the same in figure. So every host or a router on the network receive and process the ARP query packet, but only the intended receipt or recognize the IP address and send back to the ARP response packet. The response packet contains the recipient's IP and physical address. The packet is a unicast directly to the inquirer by using the physical address received in the query packet. Now see the concept how ARP is a work. So ARP operation in this figure you can see that in first figure ARP request is a broadcast and second figure ARP reply is a unicast. So in first figure packet that need to be a deliver another system to the B means system B with her IP address is a given. System A send to pass the packet to its data link layer for the actual delivery, but it does not know the physical address of the receipt or a destination. So it use the service of a ARP by asking the ARP protocol to send the broadcast ARP request packet to ask for the physical address of the system with the IP address of 144 141.23.56.23. Okay, so here how it is a work. ARP operation is a simple. You can be see जो भी उसने रिक्वेस्ट सेंड किया है वो रिक्वेस्ट जो है वो ब्रॉडकास्ट किया है बिकॉज looking for the physical address of a node. They know the IP address but they don't know the physical address, so they send the broadcast. So each node those are connected in the network, they get that request, and at the time of reply only those node have that IP address, only that node is a reply to the system A. So that is it is a unicast. Now we see the next four cases using the ARP. So that four cases, first you can be see in the diagram, the sender is a host and want to send the packet to the another host on the same network. In this case the logical address that must be a map to the physical address to the destination IP address in the datagram header. Second case में क्या हो रहा है, the sender is a host want to send the packet to the another host on another network. So in this case host look at its routing table and find the IP address of the next hop for the destination. If it does not have a routing table, it look for the IP address of the default router, and the IP address of the router become the logical address that must be a map to the physical address. Case 3, the sender is a router that has received the datagram destination from the host and another network. It check its routing table and find the IP address of the next router. The IP address of the next router become the logical address, and that must be mapped to a physical address. Case 4, the sender is a router that has received the datagram destination for the host on the same network, and the destination IP address of the datagram become the logical address that must be mapped to the physical address. So ARP request is a broadcast and the ARP reply is the unicast. So thank you so much.